welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you these amazing modeling tools and shortcuts. Let's get started. Today I'm gonna be talking about the annotation tool. It's over there. Go over here, click on it to activate it like this, and you can see that cursor is changed to that pen as shown here, and you can draw whatever you want like this. You can draw using this amazing tool. The annotate tool comes with tool available in toolbar, comes with a series of options including stabilizing the stroke with radius and factor to adjust extent to which is stabilized, as well as can draw using a line like this. Placement. There are three placement options: 3D cursor, place the annotation's fixed location in 3D space. The color of annotation can also be changed. So let's go over this tool. Let's try it. Hold and drag the mouse wheel. The first option. Let's try the first option. Shown here, you can draw like this, and for example, you can do some tips. If you want to explain something in Blender, holding the annotate tool in toolbox also shows further annotation options. As shown here, we have the annotate line, and you can draw like this. Go over here and then click, hold the left mouse button and drag to draw lines like this using the annotation tool. For example, others such as drawing straight lines and polygons, and or accessing an eraser to delete like this. Go over annotate eraser to delete everything. Can erase all those lines that you have drawn. So let's move on to the next tool, which is the measure tool. The next tool is the measure tool. Measure tool allows the user to click and drag across a certain object to measure a particular length. Go over here, it's over there. Click on it, measure to activate it. Hit 3 for the side view. For example, I want to measure the length or the width of this cube as shown here. For example, let's measure from this vertex to this vertex. And you can also play around to change the unit of measurements. Pressing Ctrl with measuring allows snapping the measurement to certain vertices. Let's try it. Go over this vertex, click and measure from this vertex, for example, to this vertex. Hold it down Ctrl. It's gonna be measuring from that vertex to the other vertex. For example, let's move it to this vertex. It's gonna be snapping automatically. Alternatively, hold and shift with measuring shows the total thickness of the surface. Holding down shift, it's gonna be showing total thickness while measuring. For example, you can see it all over this cube, through this cube, and you can see the measurement, the thickness as shown in our tutorial. Let's enable the screencast keys in order to show you what buttons I'm pressing. Hold it down shift. Clicking and holding down shift is gonna be measuring the thickness as shown here all over that volume of this cube as shown here. So to delete a measurement or a ruler, simply select it by clicking on one of the handles and pressing X. Click on that handle and hitting X is gonna be deleting that measurement like this. Select it and hit X. Select that measurement, hit X. It's gonna be deleting the measurement line as shown in our tutorial. The next tool is Add a Cube tool. Its shortcut is Shift Space Bar or hitting 9. It's over there in this toolbar. Go over it. You can see Add Cube. Click on it to activate it, and here we go. You can add cube just like this. And that's it. It's amazing tool to add a cube. And you can see here at the bottom of 3D viewport editor, you can click on this drop down menu to expand it. Then you have the size of the cube. You can play around to change the size of the cube as shown here. This is for generating UVs. I don't try to explain it. Will be explained later. Then we have align to the board or to the view. You can align to for whatever you want. Then you can change also the location by playing around with those values. You have also can change the rotation around different axes as shown in our tutorial. Let me show you another quick amazing tip. By pressing the left control allows you to snap the corners of the new cube to previously placed vertices. Let's hold down control and you can see it. So let's draw and you can see that all those vertices are snapped to some vertices when you try to draw this cube. But releasing control key, you can draw on any surface you want, like this, holding down control. This will be allowing to snap some vertices to this line that you have drawn. Whereas holding the left alt allows the flat base of the cube to be extended with the cursor as the center of the base rather than one of the corners. Let's hold down alt like this, and you can draw like this, just as I mentioned. You can click on the leftmost button to confirm and to create your shape you want. Holding down alt, you can see, you can drag also out like this and you can draw. Also, when holding on the add cube tool shows more options like these for available meshes including cylinders, UV spheres and aquaspheres and even cones. For example, let's add a cone like this. Go over here and you can draw the cone you want and drag it up just a little bit. And let's click in order to create that cone shown in our tutorial. Also, you can create, for example, cylinder. Go over here, draw the shape you want, then drag it up. Click on the left mouse button to create that cylinder. We have also a UV sphere, just like this. Drag it up a little bit, then click on the left mouse button to create that UV sphere. But in the case where we want to create the adequate shape and regular shape, you should use the side view in order to create the shape you want. And draw it like this. So let's see what we have created. We have created that shape. And that's it for this tutorial. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.